happened to you?
Well, I just put on a pornographic puppet show for my only son. I'm here to give you the real story. And I brought two friends of mine. This is Sandy, and this is Randy. And they really, really love each other. Okay, hold on to your hat. And that's pretty much that. Now, I know it's a lot to take in, but you doing okay there, buddy? Here's $10. Buy yourself something nice, okay?
Oh, hey, honey, I have a safety meeting at the hospital, but I brought home some pizza for the... What happened to you?
Well, I just put on a pornographic puppet show for my only son.
Well, hey, you had the talk with Teddy. That's great. Yeah, and a puppet show. You found a way to make it fun.
I wouldn't call it fun. I was just gonna give him the basics, but he kept staring at me. So I kept filling the silences with more detail. You know, and the quieter he got, the more I explained, and then, 'cause I thought I'd never see happiness in my son's eyes again, I gave him $10.
Okay, well, I don't know if combining money and sex is a great first lesson.
I was buying a ticket out of that room. I would have paid anything. Oh, was it this horrible when you had to talk with Katie?
No, but, you know, mothers and daughters understand each other. There's a lot more unsaid than said.
Oh, I had to explain everything, starting with what goes where. He had no idea about the where. And honestly, he was a little hazy on the what.
But he has a what?
He doesn't know what the what's for.
Okay, but he was looking at those pictures. He must have known something.
Not a clue. And the new information? He doesn't love it.
You know what, honey? He needs some time to process this, that's all. Like that time in the mall bathroom when he saw Santa Claus at the urinal.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Santa said to Teddy, "I'm sorry, I couldn't hold it."